What if I told you that the secret to better sleep, cleaner air, and even pain relief is sitting quietly in the corner of your living room right now? And no, I'm not talking about some expensive gadget or miracle pill. Today, I'm revealing 10 living, breathing companions that ancient healers knew about but modern science is only now catching up to. Stick around, because number 7 literally saved my grandmother's breathing problems. Hey there, green thumbs and wellness warriors. Welcome back to Earthly Gardening, where we grow more than just beautiful spaces and cultivate healthier lives without emptying your wallet. If you're new here, you've just walked into a community of over 29,000 gardeners who believe that nature's pharmacy shouldn't cost a fortune. Today we're diving into something really special that bridges ancient wisdom with your everyday well-being. Now, before we get into these healing heroes, do me a quick favor. If you're serious about turning your home into a wellness sanctuary on a budget, smash that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next week when I show you how to multiply these plants for free. And hey, drop a comment right now telling me which health issue you're hoping to tackle naturally. Let's build this healing journey together. Here's something most people don't realize. The air inside your home can be up to 5 times more polluted than outdoor air. We're talking about invisible toxins from furniture, cleaning products, even that new carpet smell. But here's the beautiful part: Mother Nature already created the solution, and it costs less than your monthly coffee habit. These aren't just decorations. What I'm sharing today are living filters, mood enhancers, and wellness allies that have been quietly doing their job for centuries. And the best part? You don't need a green thumb or a big budget to get started. So let's jump right in. Plant 1, Snake Plant. First up, we have the snake plant, but I want you to forget that name for a second. Ancient cultures called this mother-in-law's tongue, not because it's sharp, but because it never stops working, just like a caring mother figure watching over you at night. Here's what makes this incredible: while most plants take a break when the sun goes down, this one keeps releasing oxygen through the darkness. That means better air quality while you sleep, which translates to deeper rest and more energized mornings. But wait, there's more. NASA studied this beauty and found it removes formaldehyde and benzene chemicals hiding in your toilet paper, tissues, and personal care products. Imagine having a silent bodyguard pulling toxins out of your bedroom air 24/7. The wallet-friendly bonus? This plant thrives on neglect. Forget to water it for 3 weeks? It actually prefers that. Low light? No problem. It's basically the perfect roommate for busy people or forgetful waterers. You can grab a small one for under $10, and it'll outlive most of your houseplants. Plant 2, Lavender. Next, let me introduce you to lavender, but not the way you know it. Most people only think about those purple flowers and expensive essential oils. What they're missing is that having the living plant in your space creates something no bottled product can replicate: a constant, gentle atmosphere of calm. Here's what's happening on a scientific level. Lavender releases compounds called linalool and linaloyl acetate into the air. These aren't just nice smells, they literally interact with your nervous system to reduce cortisol, that stress hormone that keeps you wired at bedtime. I had a viewer named Sarah who messaged me last month. She'd been struggling with anxiety for years, spending hundreds on supplements. She placed 2 lavender plants in her bedroom, and within 3 weeks, she was falling asleep 30 minutes faster. Not magic, just biochemistry working in your favor. The budget approach? Buy 1 mature plant, let it flower, then harvest those stems. 1 plant gives you fresh lavender for sachets, teas, and natural room fresheners for months. It pays for itself faster than you'd think. Just give it a sunny windowsill and don't overwater. That's literally it. Plant 3, Aloe Vera. Aloe Vera is famous for soothing burns, but it does more than first aid. It can also signal changes in your indoor air quality. Aloe is considered a bioindicator plant. When levels of certain airborne chemicals rise, such as benzene or formaldehyde, it can show stress through brown spots on its leaves, acting as an early visual warning. It's also a living medicine cabinet. Break off a leaf and you have fresh gel for burns, cuts, skin irritation, and other minor issues, one of the reasons aloe has been used medicinally for thousands of years. Aloe is inexpensive and multiplies easily, producing baby plants you can repot and share. Start with one, and you'll soon have several simple, practical, and quietly powerful. Okay, quick pause here. I'm curious how many of you already have one of these 3 plants in your home right now. Drop a comment and let me know which one, because I'm about to tell you something about placement that'll triple its effectiveness. And if you're finding value in this, do me a solid and tap that like button. It tells YouTube to share this with more people who need natural wellness solutions. Plus, we're just getting to the really powerful stuff. Number 7 is going to blow your mind, I promise you that. Alright, let's keep moving. Plant 4, Spider Plant. Spider Plant. The name sounds strange, but this is one of the hardest working plants you can own. In enclosed space studies, spider plants removed the vast majority of formaldehyde from the air within a short time. That matters because formaldehyde off-gases from furniture, cabinets, and flooring is linked to headaches and respiratory irritation. What makes spider plants special is how easy they are. They're tough, forgiving, and reproduce constantly. Those baby offshoots can be rooted to create new plants, turning one purchase into many. One affordable plant can become a house-wide network of natural air filters with no ongoing cost, no filters, no power, just occasional watering. They're also non-toxic to pets and kids, making them one of the safest, most practical plants for any home. Plant 5, Jasmine. Jasmine. Walk into your bedroom after a long day and be met by its sweet, calming fragrance, one that naturally slows your breathing and helps your body unwind. That effect is backed by research. Studies published in the European Journal of Applied Physiology found that jasmine scent improved sleep quality, in some cases more effectively than sleep medications, without side effects or morning grogginess. Jasmine also offers something deeper. Caring for a living plant, watering it, watching it bloom creates a grounding ritual that eases mental fatigue and pulls you out of constant screen-driven stress. It's practical, too. Jasmine loves humidity, making a bright bathroom an ideal spot. There, it thrives while turning everyday routines into a calming, spa-like experience. Affordable, therapeutic, and deeply soothing, jasmine does far more than just smell good. Plant 6, Peace Lily. Peace lily lives up to its name, and science backs it up. This plant doesn't just decorate a room, it actively improves the air you breathe. Peace lilies help reduce mold spores and neutralize ammonia from cleaning products, making them especially useful in humid spaces like bathrooms or basements. They're also consistently ranked among top air purifying plants in NASA studies. They're beginner-friendly, too. Peace lilies let you know when they need water by drooping, then perk back up quickly after watering, no guesswork required. One note, keep them out of reach of pets, as they're mildly toxic if ingested. For people, though, they're an affordable, low-effort way to create a cleaner, calmer indoor environment. Plant 7, Eucalyptus. Number 7, Eucalyptus. This one surprises people, but the payoff is real. My grandmother struggled with chronic bronchitis for years, constantly coughing, especially in winter. Then someone suggested hanging fresh eucalyptus in her shower. It sounded too simple to matter, but it worked. Here's why: when shower steam hits eucalyptus leaves, it releases eucalyptol, a natural decongestant and anti-inflammatory. It helps open airways, loosen mucus, and ease breathing for hours afterward. Within weeks, her nighttime coughing dropped dramatically, enough that even her doctor noticed. You can grow eucalyptus in a pot with bright light, or take the easy route: buy fresh branches from a florist, hang them in your shower, and let the steam do the work. One bundle lasts weeks and provides daily respiratory support. If you deal with congestion, allergies, or tight breathing, eucalyptus is a simple, effective ally that turns an everyday routine into real relief. Plant 8, Rosemary. Rosemary is more than a cooking herb, it can actually sharpen your mind. Research from Northumbria University found that the aroma of rosemary improved memory performance and increased alertness. The active compound, 1,8-cineol, is linked to enhanced cognitive function. Keeping a rosemary plant in your workspace gives you a simple alternative to another cup of coffee. Brush the leaves, inhale the fresh, piney scent, and you get a noticeable mental lift. It's especially useful during long writing or focus-heavy sessions. It's practical, too. You get fresh herbs for cooking whenever you want, and the plant itself is inexpensive and long-lived. Give it bright light and let the soil dry between watering, and it will reward you for years. One plant focuses on your brain and flavor for your food. Plant 9, Chamomile. Chamomile is known for helping with sleep, but growing the plant offers benefits beyond a bedtime tea. Herbalists call it a nervine, meaning it gently supports and calms the nervous system. Having chamomile nearby creates a subtle, steady effect. Its light, apple-like scent helps ease stress throughout the day, not just at night. Growing it yourself also means harvesting flowers at peak potency. Store-bought tea can sit for months, losing strength. Freshly picked and dried flowers make a noticeably more effective cup. Chamomile is easy to grow and low maintenance. It tolerates poor soil, needs little water, and often reseeds itself, returning year after year with minimal effort. Calming, practical, and forgiving chamomile gives a lot while asking very little. Plant 10, Pothos. Finally, Pothos saved for last because it's the ultimate beginner's healing plant. Often called devil's ivy, it's nearly impossible to kill, but that name doesn't capture its real value. Pothos is known for helping reduce indoor pollutants like carbon monoxide and formaldehyde. More importantly, it grows fast, often showing visible progress week to week. That steady growth creates small, repeatable wins, which horticultural therapy research links to improved mood and reduced stress. This is the plant I recommend to anyone who says they can't keep anything alive. It propagates effortlessly in water, cuts a stem, places it in a jar, and roots appear within days. One plant quickly becomes several, each adding greenery and calm to your space. It's inexpensive, widely available, and long-lived if you let it vine and trail. Few plants offer as much return for so little effort. Simple, forgiving, and quietly uplifting, Pothos earns its place as the perfect plant to start with. So there you have 10 living allies that cost less than a gym membership but deliver real benefits: cleaner air, better sleep, reduced stress, respiratory support, and improved focus. All from keeping a few plants in your home. Here's my challenge: start with just one. Choose the plant that connects most with what you need right now. Place it where you'll see it daily and pay attention. Over the next month you'll notice the difference. That's how it starts. One plant turns into a few, and suddenly your space feels calmer, healthier, and more alive. If this video gave you something useful, hit like so more people can find it. Share it with someone dealing with stress or sleep issues, they'll appreciate it. Subscribe if you haven't, because next week I'm showing how to propagate these plants for free so you never have to buy another one. Drop a comment with the plant you're starting with or your own experience. I read them all. Until next time, keep growing, keep healing, and remember, the best pharmacy is one you can grow yourself.